Alright guys, for this last video, we're on the last page of the notes, and this is under, the title for it is the random curves, and these are actually very, very simple. These are probably the easiest ones you're going to see. This first one, if you just have r, and there's no theta, alright, so kind of think of it, if you just graph this, you only have that one variable, you want to graph every single point on the polar coordinate system that's 2 units away from the origin. So really, it just turns out being the second circle. This is just our graph here. I'm going to try to put it in green. All right, this is it. This is all this is. All right, that's the only part that you're graphing there. If I had r equals 3, then I would just circle the third circle from the origin. Another way to look at this, if you put it back into coordinate or rectangular form, if you squared both sides, this is the same thing as saying r squared equals 4. If I squared, the r and the 2, and then the r squared we know is x squared plus y squared. And x squared plus y squared, that gives us a radius 2. It gives us this circle right there. Alright, so that's pretty simple. So if you have r equals a number, it's always a circle. Okay, the last one is if the opposite. If we're just given theta, let's move this up. So I want to get a point, or I want to get all the points that basically is on 3 pi over 4. So if you look 3 pi over 4, now I'm basically looking at the red. See if I can kind of highlight this. So if you look 3 pi over 4, everything on this red line, it's at 3 pi over 4. Now, I actually can go this way, because remember, if I go 180 degrees, if I go this way, I could still say that the angle's 3 pi over 4, but if I make r negative, it still flips, and it's still the same angle. So if you have theta equals an angle, you just get a line. And it's the line that goes right through or reflects over the origin here. So let's see if I can just kind of highlight this. Again, I'll use green. So this is all we're getting. I guess this is the highlighter I'm using. This is the line that we get for this. And that's it right there. So just think, if you have r equals a number, it's just a circle. If you have theta equals an angle, then it's just going to be a line that goes right through the origin.